Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to return SHEIN items. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your SHEIN account. Once you're signed in, just come to the top left, you'll see this message icon. Then from here you can tap on orders. You'll see all your orders. I want you to just go ahead and click on any order you want to go to return. Then come here, click on return item. Then you just select the items that you want to return. You can select all of them or a specific item. Let's say we want to return this one. We choose that. And then you choose your reason for return, and if you have any photos to upload, you can upload that as well. So come here, choose your reason. Let's say the size was too big at the shoulder, for example. And then you come here, tap on next step. Then here you choose your refund method, and then you just choose from either your SHEIN wallet or your original payment account. Now, SHEIN wallet usually takes 24 hours to process the refund back. To your original payment account, it will take 1 to 5 business days after the refund has been submitted. So choose that if you want, and then click on confirm. And then you also choose your return method. You can do post office. You need to return by the USPS return label, or you can do this at the UPS store as well, right? You just use the UPS return label, or you can use their QR code. Choose whatever option you want, and then hit confirm. And then just come here and tap on submit. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.